To put PS5 into rest mode from PS Portal. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this I'll show you the procedure on how to put your PS5 into rest mode using your PS Portal. You could either disconnect from your remote play and enable put the connected PS5 in reset mode option or navigate to PS5's power menu on the bottle and select enter reset mode. Now first thing what you want to do is open the quick menu during remote play on your PS Portal. Then you simply want to click or select disconnect. To ensure that the PS5 enters a reset mode, make sure put the connected PS5 in a reset mode is enabled in the settings as well. As you do it, so now you could also go with the step number 2. That is through PS5 power menu. Press the PlayStation button on your PS Portal, navigate to a power option, then you simply select enter reset mode. As you do it, so you'll have successfully put PS5 into reset mode. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.